Okay guys, today I will be unboxing this iPhone 8. An iPhone 8 here. Space gray. So right there, iPhone 8. Okay, well let's get to unboxing this thing. Okay, so here we go. What the? Okay, so it turned out that's why this thing was so cheap. It was a prank. It's a hillbilly smartphone. It's got a selfie, which is a mirror. GPS is a compass. Camera, it's just this little hole that you look through. Weather, it says, if phone is moving, it's windy. If it's wet, it's raining. If it's hot, it's sunny. If it's cool, it's cloudy. If it's white, it's snowing. And the calculator is just a hand that has numbers on it. So, yeah, what a helpful calculator.